Hi family. So today I want to share with you three powerful ingredients that has helped me to regrow my hair very fast. If you're experiencing excessive shedding, breakages and dandruff, you need to start using this spray to stimulate your hair growth. Now the first ingredients we're going to be looking at is Clove. Cloves helps to strengthen the hair roots, reduce breakages, fight dandruff and also increase scalp. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps to improve blood flow for faster hair growth. It also helps to keep the scalp clean and also reduce buildup on the scalp. And the third ingredient is rosemary, which helps in regrowing thinning hair and also reduce excessive shedding. So guys, join me, let's prepare this powerful hairspray to stimulate our hair growth. Allow it to boil for 20 minutes until the color changes. And as it boils, your whole kitchen will smell amazing. And that's how you know the whole nutrients are being released inside the water. So after it has boiled for 20 minutes, off the heat and set it aside for 12 hours. Then you strain it out. I normally reuse this one more time before finally discarding it. I don't just use it once and throw it away, no. I make sure I get all the nutrients out of it. Transfer this into your spray bottle. As you can see, I'm improvising for my spray bottle. You can use anything you have. You don't have to wait until you buy your fancy spray bottle before you make this hair growth, okay? Now it's time for us to go and apply this on our hair. You can use this on your scalp, your edges, before moisturizing, under protective style, after wash day. Just spray it directly on the roots of your hair and massage it thoroughly to activate growth. I washed my hair a day before making this video, so my hair is super clean. I use this on my hair every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. I do this 3 times in a week. You can store it in the fridge so that it will not go bad, because if you leave it like that, it's going to go bad and it will tend to lose those powerful nutrients that has been released inside this water, and you wouldn't want that for your hair, okay? So it's better you keep it inside the fridge and use it for at least 1 week. Spray this on your hair thoroughly. Spray it generously on your hair, okay? And massage it from the roots to the tip of your hair. Now, I'm going with my 2 hands to massage it.
My baby woke up. I use this. I don't know the one you use.
So here is the leave-in conditioner. After massaging it, after applying the spray and massaging your hair thoroughly, you go in with your leave-in conditioner and let it sit, okay?